We start tonight as the CDC has reported an uptick in respiratory viruses, not only here in Ohio, but nationwide as winter approaches.
In Warren County, there's been an increase in pediatric pneumonia with almost 150 cases since August. And 2 News reporter Grace Hewitt is here live in the studio with an update on these cases and what public health officials are seeing in Montgomery County. Grace?
With the holidays approaching and communities gathering to celebrate, health officials are urging people to take precaution to protect your health and your children this winter. Ohio was the first state in the U.S. to report an outbreak of the illness with a high number of children hospitalized. In Warren County, nearly 150 pediatric cases were reported in August.
We do know that they're elevated, and we also know that we meet the definition of an outbreak for pneumonia because of the number of cases in isolated areas in specific school systems.
And health officials say it's not uncommon to see surges of this every 3 to 4 years. Respiratory viruses spread easily just by coughing or sneezing, especially in daycares and schools where kids are in close proximity.
Different infections circulating right now, including things like whooping cough and other influenza, COVID, RSV, many different viruses. We would expect to see those continue to circulate at different levels throughout the winter as people gather indoors.
To avoid the holiday blues, doctors recommend staying up to date on vaccinations and keeping your child home if they are sick.
Staying home when you're sick, getting tested, and getting treated, and also staying up to date on vaccinations. We have vaccinations for many of the infections that we're seeing now, not all.
However, health officials at Dayton Children's say the respiratory cases Ohio is seeing are not connected to the respiratory outbreak in parts of China.
The germs causing that are common, well known. It's not a new, oh my gosh, not another pandemic thing. It's not. Some of the questions we've been getting were, oh my gosh, this isn't happening again, and it isn't.
The medical director for the Warren County Health District also agrees there is no evidence to support that the cases they are seeing are connected to an outbreak in parts of China. In studio, Grace Hewitt, 2 News.